Do you want to know the real reason why I created a sea salt spray? This is Tidal Wave, my number one best-selling product in my brand. I'm going to take you on a journey of how this all came to be, why this is such a unique product, and what's going on in the market with other people launching sea salt sprays, the scams, all sorts of stuff. So, if you have no idea who I am, I'm Steven, the Salon Guy, and I've been a professional licensed hairstylist for over 30 years now. Licensed in 3 different states: New York, New Jersey, Virginia. I've worked for major companies such as L'Oreal Professional and Paul Mitchell, teaching other hairstylists, learning how to convey information while representing the largest beauty companies in the world. That's a lot of pressure, especially for someone who, when I started doing this, I was 21 years old. Okay? I had a mentor, and I was really, really fortunate, paid my dues, and spent the majority of my life, aside from leaving it for about 6 years. I went into a completely different type of business, and then came back into the hair industry. But I've basically committed my life to the hair industry, to the salon industry, to teaching people, to working on thousands of clients, working in numerous salons, actually being in the industry. When you ask someone for hair advice, would you trust someone who's never cut hair before in their life, or who has cut thousands of people as clients? Duh. That the answer is kind of obvious. That is where things are now on social media, especially when it comes to quote unquote influencers and TikTokers and random people launching brands, products, scamming you into, ingredients, whatever it is, okay? So when I first started my product line, it was many, many years ago. And the reason I did it was because so many of you, if you're still around, because I've been on YouTube 17 years now, a lot of you in the beginning would ask me, "Oh, Salon Guy, what are you using? What are you using?" And I was using other brands like Paul Mitchell and other companies, and because that's what I knew. So I kept promoting and promoting these products. And then it occurred to me, I'm like, wait a minute, you all trust my opinion on what I'm using? Like, why do you want to know what I'm using? A bell went off, the light bulb, and all of a sudden I go, wait, they want to know what I'm using so they can go buy it. Why am I promoting other brands when they trust what I have to say? I need my own products. That started and introduced me into the journey of creating products. I'll never forget this. I had connected with a local manufacturer. He was making stuff right there. The warehouse was right there. His own little lab was right there. And I said, I want a shampoo, a conditioner, a hair gel, and like a serum. Like, just let's start out with the minimum products. And he was going to invest in the manufacturing. And a year went into testing and developing and trying to work this stuff out. And then he decided to back out. And for a whole year, I said, I can't believe this. I was so committed to this, and I was devastated when he said he just didn't want to do it. So then I ended up learning about other manufacturing companies, and the whole journey went on and about when it comes to making products. So when this product came to be, originally it was a different product, and I learned that a lot of other people, well, not a lot, actually, like one, who still is using the same one, were using the same manufacturer. And I was just like, okay, this is a scam. I was told this was being made just for me. And it turns out that that wasn't the case. So I completely restructured this. However, my goal of using this sea salt spray, and in the beginning, was while I was working in hair salons, to use on women when blow drying their hair for volume. This was designed to be used as a pre-styler while blow drying hair, doing gorgeous blowouts and getting lots of volume. I would spray, a couple sprays in, and then I would blow dry it with the round brush, get that volume. I do targeted sprays at the root. It's designed to be a volumizing spray. And the sea salt just gave it a little bit of hold and texture, which supported the blow dry. that TikTok didn't even exist back then when I first launched this. That's how much how long ago this was. And I was like, I'm gonna just use this as I've done my other products that I've used in companies I've worked for, and just go that route of using this as a styling product in salons, like using it myself on clients. So that's how this originated. And then shortly after that, I started noticing more and more people, coming out with, oh, I have a sea salt spray now. I'll never forget one particular brand. I'm not going to name, and no, this is before no TikTokers. This was before all these other people started popping up. But one person in particular, I'll never forget when I watched the video, this individual said, hey, I'm coming out with a sea salt spray. Oh, I don't know, because it's cool. Sea salt sprays are cool. That's your reason of coming out with a product, because it's cool? So that just goes to differentiate real world experience and authenticity versus complete salespeople scammers. And that's where we're at today. So the progression of Tidal Wave has gone through a bunch of revisions, a bunch of changes, changing manufacturers to where there's been some bad formulations, things that weren't great, scent changes of this, changes of that, to where it's become its strongest over the last couple of years. And how do we get to this point? One, being that I am a real hair professional, when I test products like this, especially Tidal Wave, I'm looking for very specific things. I want it to work in a very specific way, because think about when you're, being a stylist in a salon, I want it to work. Okay? I'm not thinking, oh, what 3 ingredients does it have? No, I want to be able to use something, get that volume, make sure the hair looks good, feels good, and then I can achieve my hairstyle. That is the point of hair products. And that's what you get with the Salon Guy. That's what you get with real world experience and authenticity. So as this progressed, TikTok came out, and, all of a sudden I started doing TikTok. I made the TikTok hairstyle go somewhat viral because I kept doing it. Like this hairstyle right here, right? The fluffy hair. Like, I was one of the first people to start making this haircut go viral and showing this. Even though people were doing it, I was the one to start exposing it and showing it. This mannequin has been on the news, on television. I've talked about this stuff. So I said, well, wait a minute. I have an amazing product, a sea salt spray that actually helps give the hair that volume and texture as a styling aid, not as some scam, not as some whatever, as an actual styling aid, to be able to, and I'll even demonstrate this for you right here, to be able to achieve a certain type of response. Look at this. This hair is flat. It's dull. Here's Tidal Wave. Watch this. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Okay, one spray, it settles in. One spray in the front. I'm going to rub my hands back. One spray right in the very, very front. 3 sprays. It settles in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work that product in. And what I'm feeling is I'm feeling that texture and that light kind of sea salt feel, and it's also absorbing any oils. So if you have, maybe dirty hair, second day hair, this acts like a dry shampoo. So I'm working this in. I'm building the volume. I can see it right there. There's the volume. This is doing what I want it to do. And then I'll do a couple of swirls, and then look at all that volume and texture literally within seconds, because of the product, because of the technique, because of what the product is supposed to do. So Tidal Wave is not only a, because, and then all of a sudden, well, I'll get to that in a second. Tidal Wave is designed to give you results in a very effective, fast way. Whether you're a female looking for volume when blow drying, which is what this was originally made for, to get lots of volume. This is designed to add light texture to enhance waves or curly hair on longer hair, on shorter hair, to create texture like this within seconds, to get that pliability, to get that volume. And it's really designed for a number of things. And yes, it's only got a handful of ingredients. I've never once promoted this or tried to scam people to buy this based off of, oh, it's the most natural there is. This has the highest quality sea salt you can use. The best for your hair, the highest quality sea salt. It's got essential ingredients. One, to prevent it from growing bacteria or mold, so you need preservatives, and then also ingredients to do the results of getting the volume and texture with high quality sea salt. So that's it. And it's got a very warm, summery, light fragrance. I'm a big fragrance guy. I want to make sure this fragrance was incredible. So what's happened, and the reason that this has become so viral, is because guess what? Who's the salon guy? Oh, why is sea salt spray? Oh, wait, sea salt sprays are used to get like TikToker hair? Hello? Where do you think this all started? So all these people now that are on TikTok and all these random no-name influencer, not even influencers, just no-name people wearing lab coats or just trying to brainwash you into believing like, oh, this has one ingredient. My new sea salt spray has one ingredient. Guess what it is? Water. It's amazing. Like, you're just being brainwashed by people who have never spent a day as a licensed hair professional. And that is the biggest difference. When I talk about my products, I'm talking about real world experience. I'm talking about what they're supposed to do. I'm demonstrating how they're supposed to act. I'm not sitting here using like, bro, your hair's cooked, bro. Bro, cooked, bro. I mean, like, that's the generation of buying into that. But that's not my target audience. I want, upscale people who are interested in buying premium products, getting good results, and experiencing what this has to offer. If you want to purchase it, please, I invite you to explore my whole range of products and to, use this Tidal Wave sea salt spray because of what went into it. So this was really designed to do multiple things. And I just want you to understand, and I'm going to be posting a lot more videos like this, from like the business element of things, of creating products, what goes into it, why I created this. That's why you only need a handful of sprays, because I wanted it to perform very, very quickly and not have to spray 15, 16. Watch all these other videos of people like sitting there in their bathroom, like 10 sprays. It's just conditioned water. Right? If you like that, fine. Good, man. Good for you. However, I'm bringing a whole different experience to my brand and my products that is not based off of scammy marketing like 98% of others are. This is based off of pure performance with high quality, good ingredients, and it's going to get the job done very effectively in a short period of time. You're also buying into real world professional experience. So Tidal Wave is the reason it's my number one seller, I think, because sea salt sprays are still a big hype. However, my first opinion of this, my go-to, what do I think of, is getting volume in the hair. So if you have very fine hair, whether you're male or female, you've got short hair, you spray a couple of sprays in, you blow dry it, you're going to get a ton of volume. Tons of volume. If you don't want to overspray this, because you can just, like anything, it's like putting too much salt on your food. It's like too salty. It's the same thing with this. You don't need a lot of it. And no, a sea salt spray is not going to, you spray it on wet hair and all of a sudden on wet straight hair, and then all of a sudden you expect it just to make your hair curly and wavy. That's not how this works. Any product. But you can't just expect this to turn your hair from straight to, luscious curls. Products don't do that. They help enhance, but you need the right haircut, the right styling techniques. So my first go-to for something like this is volume, because I know this is going to support the hairstyle. It's going to support that, what it needs to hold and be reshapeable. That's where we're at with Tidal Wave. That's why it's my best-selling product. That's why I'm so passionate about it, and I really invite you to explore my full range of products. If you want to learn more about the process of all my products, you want to learn more about things, the more business side of things, I have over 3,000 hair tutorials here on YouTube. At this point, I'm like, I want to start expanding my content and talking more about this type of thing, because I'm an author. I have a best-selling, I have 2 books actually. One was a best-selling book on Amazon called Why, What, How. It's amazing. I offer virtual consultations, branding, all sorts of stuff that I'm doing because I have a lot to offer, and I want to share that with all of you. So let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos. Please check out Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.